This is a 1-scoop order for Sara. She likes little twin stars, Mapu, and Pachaco. She would like plush and stationery items, and she doesn't want any hair clips, bracelets, eye masks, or erasers. One canvas bag. Hunting again to find the perfect +1. Two notebooks. These new notebooks from Korea are so cute. My Marumo Fubiori stock is very limited, so I knew I wanted to include these 2 mini notebooks. Two pens. Welcome to the point of view of a person that's 5'2" on a good day. Let's add one more. Make it 2. Two memo pads. +1 more. And let's add some sticky notes. She likes stationery items. One eraser. Let's swap it out for a mechanical pencil. One clear pouch. Let's add 2 more pens. One sticker. It's not enough. Let's look for more. One scenery sticker. I decided to swap it out for a Marumo Fubiori plush keychain that she wanted. One bookmark. This guy's giant. And let's add one more. One plush charm. I'm going to keep hunting for our +1 more. One plush pencil bag. 1 hand towel, these are so soft, I love the texture. 2 wallets, I'm out of stock for her other favorite characters, so I swapped it out for this coin purse. 2 bricks, I swapped out the second bead for a Mapu washi tape set. 1 Uno cards. 1 Taba squishy. 1 mini charm. Time to hunt. Let's add these 2 acrylic clips. And let's add 2 badges. Okay, Sarah, that's everything for your order. I really hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.